Hello kids, I hope you're feeling relaxed after giving your half-yearly exams. But now it is time to gear up for the next term. So we are going to start a new topic, that is articles. But before that, let me introduce you to the three brothers, a, an, and the. So, and the are called articles. Now we are going to find out what is the difference between the three of them. The articles and the are used before a noun or an adjective. Let's see it with the help of examples. This is a flower. Here flower is a noun. So this article is used before a noun. When I say this is a beautiful flower, here the word beautiful is an adjective and the word a is used before the adjective. Similarly, he is an actor. Here actor is a noun and the article an is used before the noun. But here an is used before an adjective. Similarly, I ate all the mangoes. Here, the is used before the noun, that is mangoes. But here, the is used before the adjective ripe. The two twin brothers, A and An, are used before a singular noun, but the big brother, the, is used before singular as well as plural nouns. So for example, here she has a pencil. Now pencil is a singular noun. Similarly, umbrella is a singular noun. So before that we have used a. I hope you know that a and an means one. Similarly, look at this particular example. The toys were scattered all over the room and the toy was broken. Here this is plural, here it is singular. So before that we have used the, and here also before the singular noun we have used the. Now let us find out the difference between a and an. Although a and an are twin brothers, but they have preferences of their own. An loves the sound of vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. But a loves the sound of consonants. So what are consonants? All those letters that we get after removing the vowels are called consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H and so on. Till now you have been taught that an is used with vowels and a is used with consonants, but that is not so. It is the beginning sound of the word that determines whether to use a or whether to use an. So when we do this exercise, we are just going to listen to the sound and then determine whether to use a or an. Like here, an ice cream. I sound is there, that is why an ice cream. Then bat. B. B sound is there, which is a consonant, that is why a bat. When I say honest man, or O sound is there. So that is why O is a vowel. So that is why we are going to use an. Then it is university. So year sound is there. So this year corresponds to Y in English and Y is a consonant. That is why we are going to use a university. Similarly, for European, again the sound is year sound, which corresponds to Y in English. That is why it is again. Now when I talk about R, again O sound is there. That is why, because O is a vowel, we are going to use an here. And the last one, union, again year sound, so we'll use let us see another difference between a, an and the. The twin brothers a and an are used to point out at things in general. So when I say I want to eat an apple, that means I can eat any one of these apples. So I am not being specific about any apple and I am saying that I can eat any one of these. When I say Annie wants a dog for Christmas, that means Annie is referring to any dog that she would like to get for Christmas. Similarly, when I talk about the, so the is used to point out at specific nouns. Say for example, when I say I want to eat the black apple, now I'm being specific about the apple, that out of these I only want to eat the black apple. Similarly, I scratched the car parked outside. So here I am being specific about the car and I am referring to the car which is parked outside. That is why I am using the article the here. Another difference between the articles a, an and the is that and the twin brothers are used to talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing when we are talking about them for the first time. Whereas the article the is used to talk about a person, place, animal or thing that we have already spoken about. Let's see that with the help of an example. We have a test tomorrow. Now see, we are talking about the test for the first time. That is why we have used a here. Then I want to score good in the test. Because this test has already been spoken about in the first line, that is why the second time we are using the article the. Now let us see in detail the usage of the. So when we are talking about a whole class of animals, then we use the before it. Say when I am saying giraffe is the tallest animal, I am going to use the article the because I am talking about all the giraffes in the world. Here when I say river, seas and ocean, before all the rivers, seas and oceans, we are going to use the article the. So we say the Ganga, the Red Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Moreover, before mountain ranges, also we use the article the. Like Himalayas, it is a mountain range. It is not just a single mountain but a group of mountains, and that is why before the group of mountains we are going to use the. Similarly, Alps is also a group of mountains, and that is why before this Alps we are going to use the article the. The article the is used before a group of islands, like Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands. That is why we are using the before it. Similarly, for all the things that are one in the world, like the earth, the sun, the moon, so we use the article the before all the things that are one in the world. Then before buildings and monuments we use the article the, like this is the Eiffel Tower or the Taj Mahal. We use the article the before the holy books such as the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana and the Gita. Now comes the last rule. We do not use any article before names of people. So we say Sakshi and we do not say the Sakshi. Then for villages also we do not use the article the. We say Amravati, we do not say the Amravati. Similarly for cities, we say Muradabad and not the Muradabad. For countries, we say India directly and not the India. But there are some exceptions. When we are talking about a group of countries like USA or UAE, then we use the article the before them. So we say the United States of America or the United Arab Emirates. I know there are a lot of rules for articles, but once you go through the video over and over again, you're going to get a good grasp of the concepts. So I'll take a leave now. Bye bye.